So if you have thyroid disease and you are trying to eat healthy, so I am going to tell you about some healthy vegetables which you have include in your daily diet. Number first is spinach. Spinach is loaded with the several nutrients like iron, magnesium and calcium that improve your thyroid disease. Second food is garlic. Garlic is improve immunity and as well as reduce your inflammation in your thyroid gland. Next food is bell pepper. Bell pepper is high in vitamin C, which are antitoxic that support your thyroid and help in your thyroid disease. Next food is broccoli. Broccoli is high in sulfonication, which is detoxify of your thyroid gland. And the last and not the least is garlic. Garlic have very heavy chemical that supports your gut's health and reduce your inflammation in your gut, and very important and beneficial for your thyroid disease. For more updates, like, share and subscribe Sewa Education.